So I'm riding on Segway Drift W1 eSkates. $4.99 of fun. These guys are smooth, maneuverable. Segway Drift W1 eSkates have the exact same self-balancing technology as all previous Segway devices, but you gotta learn how to manage it with each foot. They'll power down on their own after a little while, or at least go into sleep mode. See, it's still on. And as soon as I right it with my hand, it's awake. It's awake. These eSkates go 7.5 miles an hour. They ride for 45 minutes. They're self-balancing. They're pretty easy to ride if you just relax. Maintain your core strength. So you've got to lean a little forward with your body. And really, if you want to turn, it's just kind of like you would turn with regular skates, you know, pushing out with one foot, pulling in with the other, so kind of a lean-to. So if you've ever done roller skating, it's like that, except these things have their own power. The more you ride them, the easier it gets. If you have a rink-like surface, they're going to be great. If you have a bumpy surface, it's going to be a bumpy ride. And when it's time to go home, you power them off. And use these handy straps to carry them off. Come on, who could have more fun than this, huh? $4.99, it's expensive, but you know what? I kind of feel like they're worth it. Hey, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, remember to rate, review, and subscribe. See ya. And as long as you have a smooth surface, that guy's going.